Hello, my beautiful internet friends. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Marybelle. Today I'm going to show you guys what's in my travel bag. Since I'm currently traveling, I thought it'd be really helpful for some of you guys to see what's in my travel bag. That way you know what to put in yours. If you want to join my little Slitherbell army here on YouTube, you can just hit the subscribe button and you're automatically in our little club. Make sure you stick around to the very end of the video where I will be holding my very first giveaway. Yes, giveaway. I also want to mention that this video is not sponsored, not sponsored, not sponsored. Let's just get started with the video and yeah. So this is my travel bag by Herschel and I just love it. And it's super comfortable when you put it on. There's actually like padding. Let's just open her up and see what we have here. It's good because this has like a little drawstring thing. So I'll just, like Mary Poppins, I'm just gonna take out all the items in this bag. So first thing we have is my little purse. This little bag is by Aeropostale. Inside of it, I just tucked in the strap for the bag because it's detachable, and I just didn't want the strap to be, you know, all up in my grill while I'm taking stuff out. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out here is my wallet, and then I have my passport holder and my passport in here. Normally what I like to do is I like to tuck in my boarding pass in here and any other information that I might need. It's a bright color, so it'll be easy to find in case I like throw it in my bag and I'm trying to look for it. It's right there in bright pink. And then of course I have my cell phone. I will be vlogging with my cell phone. This is the iPhone 7, so that's what I use to vlog. I don't have a fancy vlog camera, maybe one day, I don't know. And just because obviously I don't want it to go in my luggage, because if my luggage gets lost, then that's just gonna suck. So the next thing we have here is I have this little pouch. And basically what's inside this thing is all like my chargers and things like that. So I have my clunky laptop charger, and then I have my iPhone charger, and then I have my headphones. These headphones I just got, they're by Urban Ears, and they're foldable. They feel really squishy and comfortable. I don't know how comfortable they will be for a long haul flight, but I guess we'll see. These headphones aren't extremely noise canceling, but I mean they do muffle the sound a bit. If you're not bothered by that, then these are a fairly decent pair of headphones, and they're good for me if I'm editing on the plane, or if I'm watching a movie or listening to I don't know, a podcast or something like that. They just look like this, like basic. They're cute and small. I will link where I got these on Amazon in the description box for ya. So the next thing I have here is my neck pillow for when I need to sleep. It's from a Japanese store, I believe it's Japanese, called Miniso. My dogs are going crazy right now. I'm sorry if you can hear that. Shut up, dogs! This has like a little button that you can, you know, close it, because if I didn't have this, then it'll just like slip off. This is a really cheap neck pillow, so it's, you know, not the sturdiest, so it's good that it has these buttons, but it is really comfortable. So for the price, it was like $3 or $4. For the price, it's really good. I'll probably be using it like a side pillow thing. The next thing I'm going to take here is a book, and obviously you guys probably know what this is. This is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. And I think for flights, it's really important to have something to read, so you have different things to do. So I like to take a book that I've already read before on a plane, because, you know, I'm anxious on the flight, so my mind might be elsewhere. So it's good to have like a good comfortable book that you already know and that you love. Then in this little pouchy thing, I have a portable charger. This is really for my phone because I'll be vlogging. I want to make sure that my battery is fully charged because iPhone batteries just like run out like crazy. Okay, so I have my laptop here. and with my laptop case thing. I don't know. Laptops normally I don't put in my suitcase because, you know, you don't know what can happen, and at least I can keep an eye on this guy. I have these socks. I have this black, they're not really knee-high, they're like under knee-high. These are compression socks. They help with blood circulation in the legs to prevent any swelling or anything like that. Also, walking around the plane is a good idea, just getting a good stretch. And then I have these socks. They're thick socks, almost like reading socks. I don't like keeping my shoes on a plane just because they feel really constricting. So I like to just throw on a nice pair of comfy socks. Next thing we have here is a sweater for if it gets cold. You can take a blanket too if you'd like, if you'd rather have a blanket. I'm just gonna take a sweater, and this isn't my sweater, this is actually my dad's sweater. It's good to just have a little bit of comfort of home and also just something warm to have on the plane with you. He doesn't know I took it. Next up, we have this mesh bag full of basically like face skincare. If there's one thing I'm high maintenance on, it is my skin. So if I get an eczema flare-up and it's really bad, at least I may not need all of this stuff, but if it happens, then I'll be prepared because I can't not be prepared. So, I mean, first things first, I have my toothbrush in this toothbrush case. It just kind of, you know, opens up like this. Now, this is just my eczema medication in case I get a flare-up, because I just got a flare-up last week, so I've been treating it. It was kind of a bad one, and I was really stressed out about leaving with this bad eczema flare, so I had to get a cream from the doctors, which I really hate. I'd rather just have it naturally go away while me treating it with more natural stuff, but I needed a quick fix. Sue me, I don't know. As well as this moisturizer that's good for people with really dry skin. It's CeraVe, whatever. It's a moisturizing cream for normal to dry skin. The next thing I have is organic hand sanitizer. If you want a hand sanitizer that's cruelty-free and vegan and all that good stuff, then get Dr. Bronner's. Am I saying that right? I don't know. And this guy is like my lifesaver. This is a organic healing balm by The Honest Company. So thank you, Jessica Alba. If you have super dry skin, I really recommend this stuff. It's kind of oily, but for someone like me who has very, very, very dry skin, it helps a lot. So the next thing here is I have my aloe vera gel. This has helped me with my eczema. If I'm feeling at all itchy, I'll usually just put aloe vera on the spot right away. Aloe vera, as you know, is good for burns as well. If you get a sunburn, you can get these little containers in any drugstore or maybe even the dollar store. Yeah. Then I have these Kleenex Fresh on the Go wipes for hands and for the face. So if I need to cleanse my face, or I just, you know, I'm feeling particularly grimy, I'll use this to just like wipe my hands or my face. I don't wear makeup when I go on a plane. If you do have makeup, then, you know, getting wipes like these are really great because you can just take off your makeup on the plane or whatever. And then if I need, which I don't think I'll need, I have a cleanser. I feel like my skin's just not feeling very clean. I'll just cleanse my face with Cetaphil. Yeah, so just in case I have this, but I may not even use it. I have this eye cream. So this is Stop Puffy Eyes eye cream by Dirty Works. This is a British company, I believe. I love this stuff. It's not harsh on your skin. Petroleum jelly. As a person with eczema, my lips can be affected as well, so I have to moisturize around my mouth and stuff, which is yay. And then I have this little toothpaste and then this little mouthwash, just in case, like to keep it all fresh and clean. Another good thing to have when you're traveling is gum. That way, if you don't want to brush your teeth but you still want to feel fresh, you can have some sugar-free gum. Or if your ears pop on the flight, if you have really sensitive ears, then chewing gum is a good idea. And then last but not least for this little pouch is this little Tarte moisturizing cream that I have. It's a gel moisturizer. There's this little pouch, which I think is so cute. It's super adorable. So I'm just gonna open it up here. I'm just gonna open that zipper. And the first thing in here that I'm gonna take out is a first aid kit. This first aid kit has 4 antiseptic wipes, 2 alcohol swabs, 2 burn relief cream pads, 6 latex-free fabric adhesive bandages, 2 latex-free fabric adhesive bandages for knuckles. If there's someone around you, a stranger, who needs a first aid kit, then this is great to have. You'll save the day. And then I have these Advil liquid gels. I might just put them in a clear plastic bag instead of having the container. It's better to have liquid gels while you're traveling because the effects will happen faster. You'll have more relief faster in case you have a headache, menstrual pains, whatever. And then I have this little sleep mask, also by Miniso. This was very, very cheap. It was like $1 or $2 or something. So in case I want to think that I have some privacy on the plane, I'll just put these on when I want to sleep. So these are great to have when you're traveling. It says go to dream and it has like a little key on it and it's super cute and I like it. And then the last thing I have here is another little pouch with sunglasses in case I'm light sensitive when I land and it's super sunny where I am. Oh, another thing that I forgot to mention that I have in my bag is deodorant, and this is lavender natural deodorant with sage extract and soothing Labrador tea. I don't know what that means. And it's also aluminum free. It's got 24-hour protection. It goes on clear and it does. It's clear. Another good thing to have on a flight if you have long hair is elastic so that you can have your hair tied up. I will be headed to the airport with braids like this just because it's way more convenient for me. So I'll probably look like I'm 12 because I won't have any makeup on and also my hair will be in braids, but whatever. To the part you've all been waiting for, the giveaway. Today, what I'm going to be giving away is the exact version of my own travel bag. So one lucky winner will be getting this travel bag by Herschel. And again, like I said, not sponsored by them. Wish I were. And if it's just not your style, it's too floral for you, then you can always try to win it for someone you know that you think would like this. I will be holding more giveaways in the future that are more, unisex. The rules of this giveaway is pretty simple. You need to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment below and let me know what you would be using this bag for, if you're going someplace, if you're giving it to someone, or if you're just using it for everyday use, yoga classes, dance classes, school. For an extra bonus entry for this giveaway, you must follow my Instagram account. My Instagram is @MissBelle. All my social media accounts are in the description box below. I will contact the winner via Instagram or YouTube or whatever. I will be picking a winner at random. So there's no favoritism. It's just going to be completely random, whether you've just joined or you've been with me on my channel for a while. I love you so much. Don't worry if you don't win this giveaway. I will have others. I will have a vlog out once I get back, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you guys so much. Take care. Safe travels. Much love, guys. Bye.